Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Prizepicks Boxing, a popular fantasy sports platform that allows users to compete and win real money by selecting over or under on various boxer statistics. To get started, first create an account on the Prizepicks website or mobile app and deposit funds to begin playing. Once your account is set up, navigate to the boxing section and browse the available contests, which typically include upcoming fights and their corresponding statistical markets, such as total punches thrown or total knockdowns. Choose a contest that interests you and click on it to view the available markets and their corresponding over or under values. Next, select the markets you want to play and choose whether you think the actual value will be over or under the given number. For example, if the market is total punches thrown and the value is 200, you would choose over if you think the boxers will throw more than 200 punches or under if you think they will throw less than 200 punches. After making your selections, add them to your entry and submit it, making sure to review your picks carefully before confirming. Each contest has a specific entry fee, and the payout is determined by the number of correct picks you make. To increase your chances of winning, it is essential to research the boxers and their past performances, as well as any injuries or other factors that may affect the fight. You can also use Prizepicks tools and resources, such as statistics and expert picks, to help inform your decisions. Finally, after the fight is over, your picks will be graded, and you will be notified if you have won. Payouts are typically made promptly, and you can use your winnings to play in future contests or withdraw them from your account. By following these steps and using the tips and strategies provided, you can successfully use Prizepicks Boxing to compete and win real money. Remember to always play responsibly and within your means, and to take advantage of the resources and tools available to you to improve your chances of success.